This is a trading review for Thursday, the 10th of August 2023. So today was a date where I was looking at two stocks, Tesla and Disney. And Tesla was difficult because we were opening inside value, so I was expecting a little bit of chop. We had very bearish pivots, but we had failed to break down, so I was expecting an R3 rejection, which happened, but it happened within the first 2 minutes. I mean, that's as obvious as it gets. But I'm not able to see the ladder, so I think using the level 3 is going to give me a bit more confidence to make an entry and expect the stacks to the top side. And after we rejected R3 and run to the top side on R4, I didn't want to play a breakout because we needed a retest and it never really happened. So I waited for an R6 reversal, and on the 2-minute candles we actually had thrown a lot of signals. We threw this one, and the problem is that I got wicked out a couple of times. So maybe I should have placed my stop loss at R6 in both instances, but it was gonna be difficult for me. I think that placing my stop loss at R6 could have been the smart move, but I just wanted a good size and I wanted a lot of profit, so maybe I need to adjust how I place my stop loss in Tesla. It is moving a lot, as you can see. We already moved $5, so so I placed my stop loss here. The 5-minute candle was bullish still, but we were struggling, and with this signal I just made an entry and got stopped out. We were struggling a lot in this area, so once I saw this signal, I didn't want to hesitate and I made my entry with a stop loss at the top of the value. But in retrospect, I should have placed my stop loss at around R6, but I didn't want to give it $1 or 80 cents R. So then we pull back, and on the 5 minutes you can notice that we have a hammer, and at the break of the hammer with an R6 stop loss you got 50 cents. So this is the perfect entry in the 5 minutes, but maybe I should have waited for the 5 minutes to move as well, but the 2 minutes is my entry, so I missed on this opportunity. So this could have been a good entry, but it is what it is. I pulled the trigger at least on those signals, and I have to keep doing that because next time it's gonna work. So I just need to be happy that I did pull the trigger today. I don't think I could have done better other than waiting maybe for this candle to have volume or for the ask to empty out, because that's what we did here, maybe here as well. So I should have waited for the 5-minute candle to close weaker, and maybe I could have bought this loss, and after this engulfing this 5-minute candle doji, maybe I could have made an entry. But yeah, not bad trades at all, not at all. So I'm not gonna complain about that. This is an R6 extreme reversal F. Intraday is an F. Oh no. F. I did execute. It was bearish. Balance still, that's the issue. And it resulted in loss. Minus 1.1 and minus 1. But it's okay. I'm happy that I pulled the trigger. Oh, and I'm completing this data set. So we'll see. Anyways, at least I executed perfectly, so I'm not gonna complain. Everything was fine on this end. I think I performed really well today. Sleep time was good today at the morning routine. I planned pre-market perfectly. I this my stop loss did not feel fear after missing out on all opportunities. So I hit my goal of taking only big quality trades. We executed, took 2, was 0 and 2, but it doesn't matter, minus 2.1. Doesn't matter, we're trying to perform well. So yeah, we missed out 2 days, so that's not good, but we're trying to have good days. Anyways, that's it for the trading review. Tesla's still dropping, so this reversal could have been really nice. And then you can see we set value higher actually. So this is I see this as a pullback, but I think we're setting value higher. Disney, this R3 failure here. On Disney is nice. Too bad that I took those trades on Tesla, but this one was a nice reaction of R3, especially on this hammer. I could have made my entry here to the top side and profit nicely and add even at R4. This is a nice signal to add to my position. So yeah, unfortunate, but I like this small window, so I can just look at another stock without being overwhelmed by the tape and all the other information, and I can just switch around. So, but yeah, but that's a trade review.